George, a 73-year-old retired high school football coach, had always defined himself by his strength. But lately, that strength felt like a distant memory. A simple walk to the mailbox would leave a tight band of pressure around his chest. Climbing the single flight of stairs to his bedroom felt like summiting a mountain, each step punctuated by a gasp for air and a dizzying array of black spots dancing in his vision. Sleep offered no escape. He'd lie awake listening to a constant low hum in his ears, a sound like a distant engine that never shut off. His doctor's words echoed in his mind, delivered with a tired, clinical detachment. "It's just part of the package, George. Your cholesterol is high, your arteries are hardening. Welcome to your golden years." The prescription pad came out, and his life became a scheduled rotation of statins, beta blockers, and blood pressure pills. Each new bottle in the medicine cabinet felt like another nail in the coffin of the active, vibrant man he used to be. He started to believe this was it, that his future was a recliner, a television, and a constant gnawing fear of the heart attack or stroke that felt inevitable. But his wife, Eleanor, refused to accept this verdict. One evening, after finding George breathless and pale at the top of the stairs, she decided enough was enough. She remembered her grandmother, a woman who lived to be 98, and swore by the remedies found not in a pharmacy, but in the earth. Eleanor spent hours digging through old books and searching online, driven by a desperate hope. And then she found it. A reference in a dusty old almanac to a simple, almost forgotten drink. A vibrant, crimson-colored liquid that ancient cultures called the blood of the earth, praised for its ability to grant a pure flow of life and a strong heart. With nothing to lose, they decided to try it. No new prescriptions, no expensive gadgets, just one single glass of this ruby-red drink each morning. What happened next was nothing short of astonishing, and it left their family doctor speechless at the next checkup. Within the first week, George noticed the humming in his ears had faded to a whisper. After 2 weeks, he walked a full mile around the park, and for the first time in years, felt no pressure in his chest, only the pleasant burn of exercise in his legs. After a month, he was not just climbing the stairs, he was carrying a box of old books up to the attic. And when he got his blood work done, the results were undeniable. His LDL, the bad cholesterol, had dropped significantly. The inflammation markers were down. His blood pressure was the steadiest it had been in a decade. It was as if his arteries, clogged and stiffened by years of neglect, were slowly being washed clean. This video is for anyone who feels trapped by the numbers on their medical chart. For anyone who fears that their best days are behind them, lost to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and the ever-present threat of heart disease. Because the solution might not be a more powerful pill, but a more powerful plant. It's simple, it's affordable, and its effects can feel miraculous. So, stick with me until the very end. You're about to learn the exact recipe for this crimson elixir, the precise method for taking it to achieve maximum benefits, 2 other powerful drinks that can amplify its effects, and 3 simple daily habits that can transform your arteries into the clean, flexible rivers of life they were meant to be. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments below. It's so powerful to see our community coming together from all over the country. And be sure to hit that subscribe button for Dr. Elin Balance so you never miss out on practical, life-changing health advice that truly works. To truly grasp the power of this red drink, we first need to venture inside the hidden world of our own bodies. Imagine your circulatory system as an immense, intricate highway network with over 60,000 miles of roads, your arteries, veins, and capillaries. In your youth, these highways are wide, smooth, and clear. Blood carrying precious oxygen and nutrients flows effortlessly to every town and village, every organ, tissue, and cell in your body. But as the years go by, this pristine highway system begins to show signs of wear and tear. The problem starts with tiny invisible injuries to the delicate inner lining of your arteries, a layer called the endothelium. These injuries are caused by the usual suspects: years of high blood pressure pounding against the walls, high blood sugar making the blood sticky and abrasive, and chronic inflammation, the body's slow, simmering fire. Your body, in its infinite wisdom, tries to repair this damage. It sends out a patching crew, and the main material it uses for the patch is a waxy substance you know as LDL, or bad cholesterol. LDL itself isn't evil, it's just doing its job. But here's where the trouble begins. When this LDL patch is exposed to oxidative stress, think of it as the biological equivalent of rusting. It becomes hard and inflamed. This triggers an alarm. The body sends immune cells to the site to fight the inflammation, but they get trapped in the waxy, oxidized patch. Over time, this mixture of cholesterol, cell debris, and calcium hardens into a plaque. This is atherosclerosis. The plaque grows, narrowing the highway. Blood flow becomes restricted, like rush hour traffic squeezed into a single lane. Your heart, the system's central pump, has to work much harder to force blood through these narrowed passages, causing your blood pressure to skyrocket. Your brain, starved of a steady supply of oxygen, starts to feel foggy. Your legs ache after a short walk. But the real danger, the one that keeps cardiologists up at night, is when one of these plaques becomes unstable and ruptures. Your body perceives this as a major injury and initiates a panic response. It rapidly forms a blood clot, a thrombus, to seal the rupture. If that clot is large enough to completely block the artery, the highway is closed. The towns and villages downstream are cut off. If this happens in an artery supplying the heart, it's a heart attack. If it happens in an artery leading to the brain, it's a stroke. This was the silent ticking time bomb inside George's body. The pills he was taking were like putting up traffic cones and warning signs, managing the symptoms. But they weren't repairing the road itself. They weren't addressing the root cause, the inflammation and the plaque. But nature has provided us with its own road crew, a set of powerful compounds that can cool the inflammation, help the body clear away the debris, and restore flexibility to the highway walls. And the most potent of these natural tools is found in our hero for today. So, what is this miraculous red drink? It's not some exotic berry from the Amazon or a rare herb from the Himalayas. It is the humble, earthy, and profoundly powerful beetroot juice. I know what some of you might be thinking. Beets? The ones from the salad bar? Yes, that very same one. Because hidden beneath its unassuming dirt-caked skin is a biochemical arsenal that modern science is only now beginning to fully appreciate. The secret weapon in beets isn't a vitamin or a mineral, though they have plenty of those. It's a group of naturally occurring compounds called dietary nitrates. Now, don't confuse these with the harmful artificial nitrates used as preservatives in processed meats. These are 100% natural. When you drink beet juice, these nitrates mix with the healthy bacteria in your mouth and are converted into a substance called nitrite. Then, in the acidic environment of your stomach, this nitrite is converted into one of the most important molecules for your cardiovascular health, nitric oxide. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this: nitric oxide. Scientists have called it the miracle molecule. Why? Because nitric oxide is the body's most potent vasodilator. In simple terms, it tells the smooth muscles in the walls of your arteries to relax and open up. Think back to that clogged highway. Nitric oxide is like a master traffic controller who instantly opens up 3 new lanes. Suddenly, the traffic jam clears. Blood begins to flow freely and smoothly. Here's the cascade of benefits that unfolds when you introduce beet juice into your system. 1. Your blood pressure naturally decreases. In a landmark study published in the American Heart Association's journal, Hypertension, participants who drank just 1 cup of beet juice a day saw a significant drop in their blood pressure in a matter of hours. This is the direct result of nitric oxide widening the blood vessels, which means your heart no longer has to pump against extreme resistance. 2. The fire of inflammation is cooled. Beets get their stunning deep red color from a unique class of antioxidants called betalains. These compounds are like a specialized firefighting crew for your arteries. They seek out and neutralize the free radicals that cause oxidative stress and inflammation, directly calming the irritation on the artery walls that leads to plaque formation. Less inflammation means a less hospitable environment for plaque to grow. 3. Bad cholesterol levels are managed. While the direct effect is still being studied, the soluble fiber in beets helps to bind with cholesterol in your gut and carry it out of the body before it can be absorbed into the bloodstream. 4. Your stamina and endurance skyrocket. This was the secret weapon of many endurance athletes long before it hit the mainstream. When your arteries are wider, they deliver more oxygen-rich blood to your muscles, including your heart. This is why George suddenly found the energy to not just climb the stairs, but to feel good doing it. His entire body was finally getting the fuel it had been craving. So, how do you prepare and use this liquid medicine correctly? This part is absolutely crucial, because the right method gets results, while the wrong one can be ineffective or even cause discomfort. The Crimson Cleanse Elixir. Recipe. You will need 1 medium-sized raw beet, 1 green apple. The tartness balances the earthy flavor of the beet, and its pectin helps sweep cholesterol from the digestive tract. 1 large carrot for a dose of beta-carotene and to sweeten the mix. A small, thumbnail-sized piece of fresh ginger. This adds a circulatory kick and aids digestion, and about half a cup of filtered water. Preparation is simple. Wash all the produce thoroughly. If you're using organic beets and carrots, you can leave the skin on, as it's full of nutrients. Just give them a good scrub. Chop everything into manageable pieces. Place them in a high-speed blender, add the water, and blend until completely smooth. If you have a juicer, that works even better. Simply juice all the ingredients together. Now for the most important part, how to drink it. Do not start with a full glass. Beet juice is potent. Your body needs time to adjust. The 3-day introductory phase. For the first 3 days, drink only 1/4 cup or about 2 ounces mixed with an equal amount of water. Drink it in the morning, about 20-30 minutes before breakfast. Pay attention to how your body feels. The full dose. If you feel good after 3 days, you can increase the amount to 1/2 cup or 4 ounces of juice once per day. You can still dilute it with a little water if you prefer. The wellness cycle. For the best long-term results, think in cycles. Drink the juice daily for 3 weeks, then take 1 full week off. This prevents your body from becoming too accustomed to it and keeps the effects potent. A critical word of caution. This powerful drink is not for everyone. Please listen carefully. If you already have low blood pressure, hypotension, be extremely cautious. Beet juice can lower it further. If you have a history of kidney stones, be aware that beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation in susceptible individuals. If you have diabetes, remember that beets do contain natural sugars. Monitor your blood sugar levels closely. And the most important rule of all, before starting this or any new health regimen, please speak with your doctor. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Now, beet juice is our star player, but every great team has a strong bench. What if the taste isn't for you, or if you have one of the conditions we just mentioned? Nature has other options. Alternative number 1, pomegranate juice, the artery protector. Pomegranate juice is overflowing with a unique set of antioxidants that have been shown in studies to prevent and even reverse the thickening of artery walls. It specifically protects LDL cholesterol from being oxidized, stopping the plaque-forming process right in its tracks. Make sure you choose 100% pure juice with no added sugar. A small 4-ounce glass a day is plenty. Alternative number 2, hibiscus tea, the Pharaoh's heart tonic. This deep red tea, enjoyed by Egyptian pharaohs, is a proven powerhouse for heart health. It's rich in compounds called anthocyanins, which help improve artery flexibility, and numerous studies have shown it can lower blood pressure as effectively as some prescription medications. Simply steep 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus flowers in hot water and enjoy it hot or iced. Now, for the secret that will accelerate your results. This drink is powerful, but it becomes unstoppable when combined with 3 simple habits. This is exactly what George did. Habit number 1, the rhythm of life. You don't need to run a marathon, you just need to walk. For 30 minutes every day, walking acts as a second heart. The muscles in your calves and thighs squeeze the veins in your legs, pushing blood back up to your heart and dramatically improving your overall circulation. Habit number 2, the allies on your plate. Make friends with these foods. Garlic, its active compound, allicin, helps relax blood vessels. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the ultimate anti-inflammatory nutrient. And leafy greens like spinach and kale, rich in vitamin K, which helps prevent calcium from depositing in your arteries. Habit number 3, the internal river. Stay hydrated with plain, clean water. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes thick and sludgy. This forces your heart to work harder and dramatically increases the risk of clots. Water keeps your blood flowing smoothly, delivering all those wonderful nutrients from your beet juice to every cell in your body. Finally, let's answer a couple of common questions. Will my urine turn red? Yes, most likely. It's a harmless condition called beeturia. Think of it as a sign that the potent compounds are making their way through your system. Can I use cooked beets? Cooked beets are still wonderful for you, packed with fiber and vitamins. However, the cooking process can reduce the concentration of dietary nitrates, which are the key to unlocking the vasodilation effect. For cleaning your arteries, raw juice is undeniably more powerful. Your blood vessels are your rivers of life. Through them flows the very essence of your vitality, oxygen, nutrients, warmth, and energy. When those rivers are clear, wide, and flowing freely, you feel alive, you feel strong, you feel capable, regardless of the number on your birth certificate. For too long, we've been told that clogged arteries are an irreversible part of aging, something to be managed but never healed. But today, you've learned that's not the whole story. You've learned that one of the most powerful tools for restoring the health of those rivers is growing in the ground right now, available to everyone. George's story is not a fairy tale. It's a testament to the profound ability of the human body to heal when given the right tools. His journey back to health began not with a new pill, but with a new choice, a choice to trust in the simple, powerful wisdom of nature. Don't wait for a warning sign. Don't wait for a doctor's grim diagnosis. Begin to care for your rivers of life today. Let a simple glass of this crimson drink be your daily ritual, an act of profound love and commitment to the most important person in the world, you. If this video has offered you a ray of hope or a new path forward, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Your single click helps this message reach so many others who need to hear it. Now, I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, which of these red drinks are you most excited to try first? The beet juice, the pomegranate, or the hibiscus tea? Your story could be the inspiration someone else is searching for. And finally, if you haven't already, subscribe to Dr. Elin Balance. Let's continue this journey together, uncovering the simple, natural secrets to a long, healthy, and vibrant life. Until next time, drink clean, walk strong, and live fully.